The kid that brought this book to me looked a little bit like he wanted to cry until I told him that there was no way that this kind of damage was his fault unless he literally pulled the book out. I know he didn't. These things will fall apart if you look at them wrong. It's an I Survived graphic novel. He can't help it, but he did bring it to the right place, so let's get it repaired. I have a piece of scrap glue that is almost the right size, so I'm just gonna cut it so that it's a little bit thinner. And then I'm actually gonna cut it in half so that it kind of fills up a little bit more space. When this glue fully melts down, it'll take up all of this area. I'm gonna set my text block in there. We'll have to do some work on these end papers at the end here, but for now, I just wanna make sure that the glue melts and gets the book back together. I just changed that to run a 3-minute cycle because those books usually take a while to get that glue melted. While this book is cooking, I want to give a special shout out to Miss Gallagher's class in 2nd grade in California. You guys are so awesome. Thank you for being such wonderful little fans of mine and watching all of my videos. I want you to know 2 very important things. 1, you are so special. There's nobody in the entire world that's like you. Yes, you. Nobody. You're you. Nobody else can be. And I think that's really great. And number 2, you guys are my inspiration. Kids just like you. The reason that I do everything that I do is because I'm inspired by you. So keep being inspirational, keep being amazing, be curious, keep reading, be special, and enjoy it. I'm so proud of you, and I'm gonna be cheering you on from over here. So much love to my new little 2nd grade besties in Miss Gallagher's class. Let's get back to this book repair. That was perfect timing, right? All right, so here we have it. Let's pull this book out again and look and see. My glue's still really not melted all of the way, but I think this last cycle will be the one for it. So we'll just set that in one more round. All right. I feel like there's no way it's not done after 9 minutes in there, but I guess we're gonna find out. Absolutely, and me pushing those pages in is actually probably what did it. So let's set it back here. We're gonna let that cool and we'll be right back. It's been at least 3 minutes, and honestly, that's probably long enough. It's gonna be a little bit warm, but the glue's not gonna be coming apart anymore. So it's time for me to do something about this part, which it's never gonna go back to exactly how it was before. You guys are gonna hate this, and I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna cut this extra paper off because I'm gonna end up putting tape over it, and that's just more paper for the tape to cover. I know, I'm sorry. I don't like it either. I probably should have done this first, and that's my bad, but that's okay because either way, the book's gonna be repaired. So that extra paper is gone from there. What about on this other side? There's not much extra paper on that side. And I know. Why not just glue it back down? Because I'm about to put tape over that, and if I glue it back down, then the tape's not gonna stick. So here's my tape. We're just gonna measure with our heart. That's a good enough measurement, right? Take my middle strip out, fold it to get it ready. I'm actually gonna stick this underneath this little flap here and then pull this. Where are you? There it is. Okay, so we're stuffing this underneath here. And then, I know, this is crazy. I'm closing it right on top. Because then it's gonna be stuck right where I want it to be. And now, once again, when I go to close it, there we go. All right, same thing for the other side. fold it. Maybe we'll do it this direction this time. Why do I do it different? Because it honestly doesn't matter that much. As long as it gets done. The order is kind of meh, you know, it'll get done. Okay, so I want that down. And then I'm gonna peel this piece off. All right, those are right here. I want you to go over top. There we go. So we close it. We beat it a little bit. And there we have it. Our book is fully repaired and ready to be read again.